Yeah man, greetings everyone. This is Stewie coming to you from my beautiful island home, sunshiny Jamaica. Emirates Airlines to Jamaica has again become a topic for discussion in March 2025. I use the word again because I did a previous video in May 2022 which was fueled by a Den Gleaner article which read, Emirates Airlines now sells tickets to Jamaica.
Virgin American 2611, line up on weight runway 07.
Line up on weight 07, American 2611.
W1179, you're on time 15, vacate Bravo and contact ground 1217.
Bravo 217, JW 1179.
American 2611, you clear takeoff on runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots.
For takeoff runway 07, American 2611.
Alpha.
As excited as I got at the time when the news broke back in May 2022 that Emirates has added Jamaica, Kingston and Montego Bay as a destination which it offers flights. So that meant that somebody in Dubai, when they go to the Emirates website or their booking page, they'll see Jamaica as a destination on the site which they can buy tickets for through Emirates. So the question you might ask is, how is Emirates selling tickets to Jamaica when they don't fly to Jamaica? That is when curiosity led me to Emirates website for booking flights. Just to one, verify that Jamaican airports was offered as a destination on the Emirates site, and two, to better understand how Emirates would get me from Dubai to Jamaica without a physical Emirates flight landing in Jamaica. This gets interesting. Stay with me, I'll share my findings.
American 3170, clear to land on 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
907, American 3170. 75 on a 9-mile final, runway 07.
American 875, thanks to tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
10-5, continue approach.
American 2611, departure 120.8.
American 2611, good day.
Good day.
So on the Emirates website, I placed Dubai as the country I'm flying from, and then Montego Bay, Jamaica as the destination I hope to fly to, just like any other passenger buying a ticket. When the flight results came up, it showed that I would fly Emirates Airlines from Dubai to the United States and land at one of the East Coast airports, namely New York, Boston or Orlando, among others. After landing in the US at one of the airports I mentioned earlier, I would then fly the second leg of my trip to Montego Bay using JetBlue Airlines. That is because back at that time in May 2022, JetBlue and Emirates had a code share agreement. So for my viewers who might not understand what a code share agreement is, let me explain a little. Simply put, a code share agreement is a business arrangement between two or more airlines to sell seats on each other's flights. Stay with me now.
United 163, clear immediate takeoff on runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
Takeoff runway 7 at 1683.
So in this case, Emirates sold you a seat on a JetBlue flight where you didn't have to physically go to JetBlue's website to make the bookings yourself. Anybody who has ever flown a connecting flight where you had to change airlines knows this can be a pain sometimes. So this offers a lot of convenience for the passengers, knowing that you're booking your flight with one airline. This might sound like it's disadvantageous to JetBlue, but it works both ways. You could go on JetBlue's booking site and see Dubai listed as a destination to which JetBlue flies. So in essence, you could buy a ticket from Kingston to Dubai using JetBlue Airlines. Code share agreement significantly increases the network or the destinations of which partner airlines operate. Code share agreements also benefit passengers because it allows them to use their reward points across other airlines platforms. So by now you should have a better understanding of how this whole Emirates story started and a better understanding of how code sharing works. So let's work our way back up now to present day and why the Emirates story is in the spotlight again. JetBlue Emirates code share agreement lasted for over a decade, but unfortunately ended in October 2022, just 6 months after Emirates added Jamaica as a destination.
1683, departure 120.8.
United 1653.
The end of the JetBlue Emirates partnership did not remove Jamaica as a destination from the Emirates booking site. That was because about the same time the JetBlue Emirates relation ended at the end of October 2022, Emirates had entered into a new code-share agreement with two North American giants in the form of United Airlines and Air Canada.
875, you're on time 21. Expedite vacating on Alpha. Wind clear, contact ground 1217.
Clear Alpha, contact ground, point 7, good day.
That now meant that your connect destination had changed, so you'd fly Emirates from Dubai to Toronto or Chicago to fly with Air Canada or United Airlines for the second leg of your trip to Jamaica. So why is the Emirates to Jamaica story again in the news in 2025? I can only assume that it's in relation to the most recent codeshare agreement between Emirates and Condor Airlines, which occurred in October 2024, and being that Condor flies to Jamaica. Come April 10th, what are you expecting to see land in Jamaica? I have heard talk of a 777-300, but Condor operates the A330-900, so who will be landing?
American 3025, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
The wind, clear to land, runway 7, American 3025.
Well, there's only one thing I can promise you for sure, God's willing. Come April 10th, whatever shows up in Montego Bay, you can count on this channel to get the information.
Delta 1814, line up and wait runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, Delta 1814.
American 3025, on time 25, exit Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Yeah, Bravo, it's 1217, American 3125.
Delta 1814, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
Takeoff 07, Delta 1814. Tower United 1462, RMP is 07.
United 1462, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach for 07, United 1462. Tower Southwest 2481 over Usain for runway 7.
Southwest 2481, thanks to Tower, roger. Slow your approach speed and continue approach.
Speed and continue, Southwest 2481.
Delta 1814, departure now 120.8.
14, good day.
It's 2 clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 22 knots.
Runway 07, United 1462.
Rodeo 992, line up and wait runway 07.
Runway 7, ready at 992.
Okay. Charlie 1462, expedite vacating on Alpha. You're on time 29er. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
Expedite down to Alpha, off on Alpha over the ground, 1462.
Rodeo 992, clear takeoff on runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, northerly on the roll.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, rodeo 992.
Southwest 2481, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
Clear to land runway 7, Southwest 2481.
Nine 992 departure now, 120.8.
120.8, rodeo 992.
Southwest 907, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, line of wait, Southwest 907.
Southwest 2481, on time 32, exit Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Exit Bravo, contact 1 Southwest. 31. Tower Delta 1915's with you, RMP 7.
9015, thanks to Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
Continue Delta 1915.
Southwest 907, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 21 knots.
Runway 07, Southwest 907. Off on Delta, ready for departure.
Alpha confirm.
That's me.
Alpha, line up and wait, runway 07.
7 November Alpha. Delta 1852 is ready on runway 7 whenever you are.
1852, roger, hold short. Clear takeoff 7, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, caution turbulence.
Traffic requesting the early left to avoid the wake.
Early left approved, remain noted clear.
Approved north and clear November Alpha.
Delta 1915, clear to land on runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
7 clear to land, Delta 1915.
Southwest 907, departure now 120.8.
Switch departure CS, Southwest 907.
Number 509 at Charlie Cafe on the RMP 07.
Charlie, Quebec, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07. There will be traffic passing north of you, heading westbound, that's at 206, 1,000 feet.
Approach 509 at Charlie Cafe.
9 Charlie, Quebec, lower your approach speed. Alpha, all time 34, traffic turning now at Usain, remain north, contact departure 120.8.
Departure, company traffic, on the way back, November Alpha.
Delta 1852, line up and wait, runway 07.
7, Delta 1852.
Delta 19015, you're on time at 35, exit Bravo, contact ground 1217.
217, Delta 1915.
Delta 1852, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 21 knots.
Off runway 7, Delta 1852.
November 509 Charlie, Quebec, cleared land runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 22 knots.
07, Charlie, Quebec.
Delta 1852, departure now 120.8.
Departure 120.8, Delta 1852.
Delta 1928, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, Delta 1928.
November 509 Charlie, Quebec, you're on time at 40, exit Bravo, contact ground 1217.
11.7, Charlie.
Delta 1928, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 21 knots.
Clear takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1928.
Southwest 293, ready to go, 07.
293, confirm. Southwest 293.
Southwest 293, ready to go, runway 07.
Southwest 293, thanks to Tower, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
7, line up and wait, Southwest 293.
Delta 1928, contact departure 120.8.
0.8, Delta 1928.
Nano 3, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06, 4 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway Southwest 293. Delta 1957, ready for departure.
Delta 1957, thanks to Tower, roger. Line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, Delta 1957.
Delta Tango, thanks to Tower, roger. Continue to follow runway 07.
Final 07, Delta Tango.
Southwest 293, departure 120.8.
Flight Southwest 293.
So 1957, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 20 knots.
07, Delta 1957.
Number 808 Delta Tango, clear to land runway 07, wind 06, 0 degrees, 20 knots.
Land 07, November 808, Delta Tango.
Delta 1957, departure now 120.8.
1208, Delta 1957, good day.